my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. What am I wearing? I am wearing none other than Renee Taylor. Renee Taylor gifted me this fabulous dress. Just look at it. Do we live, my darlings, and do we love? I live and I love. So, why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. Because we have a lot. We have a lot to talk about in relation to this subject. And what is it about? It's about this beautiful woman. And her name is called Naomie Pilula. And it broke my heart. It broke my heart because this is what she had to say about herself. I am not an aesthetically beautiful person. I'm not, and that's okay. But I love myself and I can be myself. And with that is a certain level of beauty, because there is a light that everyone has and that deserves to shine. Woman Selfie receives thousands of comments about her appearance, but she refuses to delete the photo. Darlings, we have to do better. I'm just going to come out straight. We have to do better. You have no class and you're not raised well. You're not brought up well from the family that you came from. Your family that raised you did not raise you well. If you're leaving comments about other people's appearance, you're not raised well. You have no manners. I'm just going to say it outright straight. You have no manners. And I guess this is the part of social media that I don't like. Because people are just keyboard gangsters, and you go ahead and you say all kinds of things and you don't know how it affects other people. And I'm saying that about this beautiful little girl of whom I have put up many a time.
I'm so ugly.
What? Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. You are so pretty. When you look at yourself, you supposed to say, I'm so pretty. You are so pretty. Do you hear me? You got the prettiest little dimples. You are too cute. No, you gonna make me cry. You're not ugly. Baby girl. You are so pretty. You are like, you have this beautiful chocolate skin. Like, you are just so gorgeous. You got these dimples. Remember what I told you? How many people got two dimples? Nobody. You got two. Let me see you smile. Let me see. You got two dimples. I don't even have two dimples. Girl, no, you're not gonna cry. You are a beautiful little girl. And if don't nobody ever tell you, I will tell you, you are gorgeous. You are so pretty. And you're gonna grow up and you're gonna be everything that you can be. You're gonna be the greatest nail tech, the greatest beautician, the greatest lawyer, the greatest doctor, the greatest teacher, whatever you wanna be.
It's not nice. It's not kind. And why? As if your life is perfect. And when we go to your pictures, you are far from perfect. 90%, because I do go and look at some comments that are so hateful. And then I go to your page and you're a hot smoking mess. You're a hot smoking mess with your 2 followers. But you think that you have the audacity and to comment about other people. I think she's beautiful. I see confidence. I see a woman that I wish I had had in my life when I was younger. I applaud her, and we need more women like her. And you know, I can identify because they called me ugly too. Yeah. But you see, I'm strong. I don't care. It laughs off my shoulders. I don't mind at all. As many of you know, I was in New York last week. Oh, Fumi, you're no longer having your natural hair. Oh, Fumi, you no longer have your afro. Oh, Fumi, I hate your hairstyle. Oh, Fumi, you're this, that, and the third. Oh, Fumi, you know what? I don't like you in this dress. Well, I wore it differently. And upon reflection, it's a better style for me because I'm very small on top. But I've got thighs, baby. I got hips. But you come out here, you're too skinny. No, you got a lollipop head. No, you're too this. None of your business. You're not paying my bills. And you're not concerned. Concern yourself about your own business. Hence why I have the t-shirt, minding my business and eating my salads. I really don't care. Me personally, I don't. It's for the young girls. It's for the little girls that are growing up. Like this little girl. And the way she cried and broke down is because somebody said it to her. And it changes the trajectory of these girls. They don't have the confidence. They date the wrong men. And they think that they're not deserving to have the right man. And it follows their lives. Because you, a true buffoon, you said something carelessly. You might not have even really meant it. You would have just said it and you would have moved on with your day, with your life, and you wouldn't have known those words impacted another human being's entire life. I don't care. I really don't. I put myself out here. I'm on social media. I don't care what you say about me. I really don't. I really do not. I can't waste my time with you. You're a buffoon. But the young girls do, because they don't know any better. And that's why I champion my beautiful Queen Naomi. You are everything. And you gave the right response. I don't care. You see, for me personally, because everybody goes through their trauma, do not think I haven't gone through mine. But I'm healed. And I was healed. I made sure I was healed before I got married, before I had a child, before I came onto social media. I'm healed within. And because I'm healed within, nothing touches me on the outside. There are a lot of people that are not healed yet. And that is why I do this. I fight for them. And I'm so happy today to do an episode where I met a fellow sister who has fought whatever demons she might have had on the inside. And so she can give this response because it's really sincere. And it really trickles down always to that dark-skinned girl. Baby girl dark-skinned. Naomi dark-skinned. Fumi dark-skinned. You're black and you're ugly. And it's so not true. I am not aesthetically beautiful. It's so hard for me to hear that. Mama, you're beautiful. You're beautiful in so many ways. Many of these girls that you see are Instagram models are not. How about that? Because they are coming around with mental health. I can say that. Why? Because my DMs are back to back. Because they want counseling. Because they're struggling with mental health. They're struggling with things that I look and I say to myself, I wish I had been there just to help you. So, as far as I'm concerned, Naomi, we need you. I love you. And you're a sister, you're an auntie, you're so many things. And you're God's purpose. And I would love to do a podcast with you. Because these young girls need you. I need you. I need you to continue to shout out these beautiful and wonderful words of encouragement. Before I go, she goes on to say, well, let me read anyway. It says, Naomie Pilula is just like you. She works 5 days a week, goes to church on Sundays, and enjoys getting her nails done. She loves fashion, her friends, and her family too. Like most, these everyday moments are reflected on her Instagram page, where she posts a few times a week. So imagine her surprise when a simple video about one of her favorite face masks drew comments like, "Is this AI?" and "Is she using a filter?" After a while, Paula realized they were talking about her physical appearance. But it wasn't until the 37-year-old posted a selfie in June that she would be exposed to the depths of the internet's nastiness. And let me add to it, like I said in the beginning, you have no home training. You have no class. And you're not raised well at all. Yep, I said it. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darling, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love, Naomi. God bless you. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN, is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking